I think I got something. I think I got a few things in once, because what I don't want, what I've learned is that they like to sleep up high up here. And so what they'll do, they just start pooping in this. And that's not the object of what I want them to do here. So I have to kind of put it in between and under. And yeah, it's going to work out just fine. I actually created these doors for that purpose, but it looks like I'm just going to close them off. So anyway. All right, cut. There we go. Oh, shit. So guys, I'm just plugging this into this beam here to make sure these don't go anywhere. So you want them to be nice and firm. And so now they're not going anywhere. So, and to keep these stable, I'm gonna plug this one into this one. Very simple. Very, very simple. Not going anywhere. Gonna put one on this side. Don't make it difficult, guys. You can still keep it neat. You can still keep it simple. Don't make it difficult. Go according to the way you built your stuff. And a lot of times with this, you don't have to have this expertise plan. You don't have to have this expertise plan. Trust me. Look at that. That's not going anywhere. I'm gonna plug that in the corner over there. And guess what? We're gonna be done. No stress. Gonna put that in the corner of that. Ah, well, we don't want that. So, I'm gonna have to use my left hand. Well, that's giving us a hard time, but we're gonna get it. We will get it, in fact. Really? Really? Y'all got all this drama while we up in here. All this drama while we are up in here, right? That's what's going on. So we solidified that. We now have a few more places for them to lay. We're gonna make some places right here now. And I'm also gonna show you how I'm gonna allow them to be able to come up here and to be able to walk across without actually falling down. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. Don't know yet, but I'm going to. It's really simple. You can have they don't need something even that strong. You just fit it in there, guys. You just fit it in there. As a matter of fact, we might turn this way. These chickens will find their way. And so everything is already kind of naturally done here. We got this piece of wood already broken. You don't have to go and spend all your money. Look, this wood is already like this. Watch what I do with that. Put it here. You're just giving them something to walk on so that they can get in and out and don't have to try to jump and hit their heads and they can't get in there. So she's gonna know how to go in here. We're gonna put some hay in there, and that is gonna fix that. That simple, guys. Put it there. That is just enough for them to take their butts in there, literally sit down and lay. Plug that right there. And there you go, guys. We're gonna put our hay in there and show you what it looks like when we are done. So let us right now take this one here, and we might take one of these tires down here And actually be able to put this over there. See? You gotta use your imagination. Use your imagination to create and to innovate. Really? So I have to take another screw. I'm just trying not to get pooped on. Trying not to get pooped on, guys. There we go. It ain't going nowhere. There we go. Keep dropping screws. There we go. Look at that. How amazing. Now what we're gonna have to do, hey, get up my way. Get out my way now. What we're gonna have to do is make sure that they can't poop in here. So we got to cover this with a piece of board. Gonna have to cover that with a piece of board because we don't want them pooping in here. That's one thing we don't want them doing. Isn't that amazing, my daughter? Mm-hmm. Amazing, right? Mm-hmm. So, we're now going to take a few things from them. Look, they just pooped on these eggs. Oh, Lord. So we have to clean these things. So guys, all I need is hey now. Hey now. Okay, all right, come on.
Nothing?
No, we're going this side. Put your head.
Sleep?
Yeah.
That one looks like a rock star. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, you see how they're not going to be able to poop on their hay, their stuff no more? Mm-hmm. They be able to just climb in there. All right. So, first one is, you got it too far in here. Back it out. Oh, baby. Back it out. Good. They can climb up here and get inside their hay. Get inside their little nesting board. So you want to make it nice and comfy. Make it nice and comfy. None of the compost. Bruh. I did not know he was up there. Give me some more hay. I want to get pooped on. Come on. Huh? You say what? What'd you say?
I said it was your lucky day.
Oh, man. Okay, I'll show it up. Huh? Huh? Oh, look in the shed then. Or you can give me a piece. So now, we've actually solved the problem of, our chickens having a place to lay. We actually took the eggs that one of the hens have been laying and put them in all of the little places where we want them to lay so we can train them to go in there. It's all about functionality. So, and don't forget, we have something to make her travel right inside of her place where we want all of our new young little hens to lay. So guys, it's that easy and it's that simple. Give it a try show us what you guys are doing out there. We talked about how trying to transition your chickens into laying in the right places. So I just want to show you the results of how it works as I go and feed them real quick. Boy, are they hungry. I tell you. Boy, get back. Get back, get. Oh my goodness. Talk about hungry. There y'all go. They were hungry. Well, while they're doing that, I'm gonna show you. I actually just got a few eggs from down here because one of my hens seems to like to go down there. I can't see back there if she has any more, but I put a few eggs here and all of a sudden I get more egg production. You can even see one there. Check that out. This is the big difference in keeping your chickens comfortable. Okay, so here, we're trying to get them to still go here, right? So they're getting it little by little. So wow, how amazing is that? So give it a try, guys. What a time to have chickens. In a time where, you know, the eggs, look at that. Look at that, guys. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at that? What a time to have chickens in a time of trouble, in a time of famine, where people are rushing to the grocery stores to try to get chicken and try to get eggs. You should have been listening. You need to be listening. You still have a little time.